Good evening, everyone. My name is Siddharth Mehta. You watching the channel Biraji English Speaking. So, guys, today's videos is our first video of our English speaking courses, in which I help to you learn English vocabulary and English grammar of class first to seventh. So, guys, today's class in which we learn anyone can learn, but major and help to in exams etc things. I help only first to 8th class. Sorry, you can use that in your daily life basic words. So today's class I am telling you some basic words. They are also written in the descriptions. If you don't know my English, you can go to Google and paste my English video link and convert it into Hindi language. You can learn from Hindi. Don't worry, this is basics, but I make you, if you follows my daily timetable etc, I make you a great English speaker. So guys, today's class in which we do today's I am telling you some basics words in Hindi to translate in English. You can speak with me. I give you time, and they are also written in the description. You can make a notebook of English practice. I also make a English practice notebook today and writing that all sentences like मुझको ये चाहिए, I want this. Repeat, मुझको ये चाहिए, I want this. You can tell this sentence in I want this pen. मुझको ये पेन चाहिए, I want this pen. मुझको ये टोपी चाहिए, I want this cap. मुझको ये क्या कहते हैं, मुझको ये कपड़ा चाहिए, I want this cloth. मुझको ये चश्मा चाहिए, I want this goggles or specs. This is a normal word, you can understand. Let's go to second word. The second word is मुझको वहाँ जाना है, I want to go that place. जैसे कि जैसे कि मुझे पार्क जाना है, I want to go to the park. अब जैसे कि एक वर्ड और सोचता हूँ, जैसे कि आपको एक वर्ड और मैं बताता हूँ. हाँ, जैसे अब मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है, मे आई गो टू वॉशरूम, या एम आई गो टू वॉशरूम. यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम योर टीचर और पेरेंट्स एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. Okay, so you can use this word in your daily life, then you make a great English speaker. You are the great English speaker in the your colony if you follow me. If you don't follow my table and only watching the video, there are no advantages of that, and I am only talking in English from you, so you can don't understand. So I take you the task. You can do that. You can paste my link and paste it to Google and tell it to do in Hindi, and you can see that them. Okay, but try to understand English. Otherwise you don't make a great English speaker if you don't understand English. But I don't worry, I help you to understand English. I help you to I help you to speak English difficult words etc, like pronouns. You can rhyming it frowns, it's pronouns, frowns, friends. There are different words you can tell etc. So today's class is Biraji. This is my channel name is Biraji Learning English Learning. Yes, English Learning or Biraji English Learning etc. I don't know the name. I searching the name to present time. So there is a big name, 4 5 letters name. So I help to write you a letter, notice, etc. Just like any student have notice in syllabus of grammar as a notice in a. I tell the English vocabulary like word meanings, extra meanings, new meanings from my book and NCERT 7th, 6th, 5th, 7th and 6th book. Okay, 7th and 6th from the book of 7th and 6th English supplementary or English course book. I can how I could would found new words, and I tell you the meanings of that words in next or next class. I will find, and we will continue that new words. We will do new words in next class. In today class I tell you some Hindi translation word into the English translation basic words. So today's word I am tell you 2 3 अब now is the न्यू वर्ड्स सो जैसे कि लाइक सॉरी लाइक so guys, this is my English practice notebook. I written some words that translate in English. I write them in Hindi and translate it to the English. So I tell you in Hindi and English both. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ ध्यान दो, बी अटेंटिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुम क्लास में ध्यान दो, बी अटेंटिव इन दी क्लास. चुप रहो, कीप क्वाइट, तुम क्लास में चुप रहो, कीप क्वाइट इन दी क्लास. उसे बुलाओ, कॉल हर और हिम. उस लड़के को बुलाओ, कॉल हिम. माफ़ करना, फॉरगिव मी. सॉरी नहीं देखो गाइस, यू कैन यूज़ फॉरगिव मी और सॉरी. दे